Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're on board the brand new Celebrity Ascent, taking a look at one of its most affordable cabins. Whether you're already booked or looking for that perfect ship, the Cruise World has you covered with ship and room tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So if you love cruising, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on. Ascent is the fourth ship in Celebrity Cruises' Edge series and features 1,646 staterooms, ranging from the 184 square foot verandas for solo cruisers all the way up to the iconic suite that features over 2,500 square feet of indoor and outdoor living area. But one of our favorite and most affordable ways to cruise is in an inside stateroom, and that's what we're taking an in-depth look at today with Celebrity Ascent Stateroom 11191. So let's head on in and take a look around. One thing that a lot of inside cabins lack is a sofa. We were so happy to see this when we walked in, as an extra spot to pop a squat is always nice. Now we're taking a look at the nice sized desk area. Over here there's a chair and a lighted vanity mirror. And right here in the middle is the charging station box. This helps control cable management. Inside there are two standard 110 outlets, one 220 European outlet, and two USB ports. Over here underneath the right side of the desktop there are three good-sized drawers with built-in separators. And just to the left inside this door is the minibar fridge. Right across from the bed is a very nice sized flat screen TV, definitely big enough for this space. And to the left of the king bed, the nightstand features three cubby areas and of course a bedside lamp. Here's a good look at the king-sized bed, and over to the right, the nightstand has two cubby areas, a lamp, phone, a 110 outlet, and two USB ports. Now it's time to talk storage, and right here next to the bed is the closet area, which features two hanging racks with plenty of hangers. There's also a safe and three more drawers. Just over to the right, there are more storage areas that are oddly shaped, but I found these to be very useful. Now onto the bathroom area, which I found to be very spacious for a cruise ship. The shower has a glass door, footrest, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel dispensers, and some of the best water pressure that I've ever experienced at sea. Celebrity also supplies lotion, and under the sink area there's extra storage, a 110 outlet, and lighting that comes in very handy at night. Your temperature and lighting can all be controlled from this panel, which also features several different lighting modes. And something else that's pretty cool is you can also adjust the temperature, light modes, or even turn on and off individual lights right here in the stateroom section of your Celebrity app. Thanks for joining us for this tour of Celebrity Ascent's inside stateroom. If you have any questions or you're interested in booking your next cruise vacation on the Ascent or any other cruise ship, email us at thecruiseworldtravel@gmail.com. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Next up, check out our full ship tour of the beautiful Ascent. And as always, remember, life is short and cruising is fun. We'll see you soon.